My name is Professor Kenneth Chibuzor Ofokansi. I'm a professor of pharmaceutics and biopharmaceutics, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences of our university. I'm also the director currently, the current director for international collaboration and linkages of our university. The international office is primarily responsible for networking and reaching out to other universities and institutions where research and teaching are done all over the world. We do this believing that nobody is an island. No university has everything that it needs, that it requires. So we reach out to institutions that share the same vision and share the same mission with us. Universities that also share similar interest as we do. But the main consideration in reaching out to these universities is to find a way of engaging with them so that we can mutually benefit, gain from each other, through activities such as students exchange, staff exchange, joint seminars and workshops and conferences, and sometimes joint application for research funding, research proposals. So that is essentially what this office is all about. And currently, our university has a relationship with Morehouse College, which led to the networking, that we are currently enjoying. Dr. Aaron Enyi has been here for a few months, helping to build capacity among staff and students of our music department. And Philip too has been here for close to a year. Philip, is more of a technical person, who has been helping to train our own technicians and music, students and staff on the use of certain specialized musical equipment. And from the discussion I had with Dr. Aaron last week, he told me with excitement of future plans that he has, to bring in some students from Morehouse College to spend a few weeks here to interact with our own students and share notes and share notes. And then going forward also, there are also plans to get some kind of funding that will make it possible for our own students from music department to spend some weeks also at Morehouse College. The overall goal, is to ensure that the relationship that we've established, is of benefit, mutual benefit to both of our institutions. And particularly, I'm very proud that that this office played a role in facilitating the current relationship that we have with Morehouse College, and it has turned out to be one of the best partnerships we've had in recent times.